हाय हेलो नमस्कार वनक्कम सत श्री अकाल अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। मैं आपका दोस्त और होस्ट शेख अली। आज एक ऐसे जगह जा रहे हैं हम लोग। एक फ्रेंड है मेरी, तो उसने बोला कि भाई आज गुड फ्राइडे है तो आप आ जाओ वहाँ पे हमारी सेलिब्रेशन देखो। और ये लोग रहते अराउंड 20 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम नायरोबी। लेट्स गो देयर एंड along with me today I have a friend and a driver for us.
Hi.
So his name is Daniel. Say hi to.
Hi everyone.
ओके सो अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर जाके चेक करेंगे भाई गुड फ्राइडे को क्या करते कैसे है क्या है उन लोगों का सेलिब्रेशन कैसे रहते। एक्चुअली ये सेलिब्रेशन नहीं है गुड फ्राइडे, बिकॉज क्रूसिफिकेशन ऑफ जीसस हुआ था तभी। तो डेफिनेटली आई वुडंट से लाइक दिस इज अ सेलिब्रेशन। वेल हाउ डू दे डू इट, वील जस्ट गो एंड फाइंड आउट। सो चले वहाँ पर, अभी हम लोग तैयार हो गए जाने के लिए। लेट्स सी the whole way towards Kanunga. Kanunga is a village and it's 20 kilometers away from Nairobi. दोस्तों देख सकते हैं आप लोग, ये है नैरोबी भाई। अभी मैं निकला होटल से और यहाँ का नज़ारा देखो। ये गलियाँ, ये रोडा, एक ज़माने में यहाँ पे मैं भी फिरता था। और आप मेन चीज़ इसमें गौर करने की चीज़ एक चीज़ है, आप यहाँ की आसमान देखो। और ये है भाई नैरोबी के नज़ारे। अब जा रहे हैं हम लोग, कियाम्बू दिखता है आपको 12 किलोमीटर यहाँ से, और थोड़ा उससे आगे जाना है, अराउंड 20 किलोमीटर्स है कनुंगा विलेज। दिस इज रुंडा एवरग्रीन एस्टेट। यहाँ पे रुंडा इज अ रिचेस्ट कॉलोनी वेयर रिच पीपल लिव। आई होप सो राइट।
Yes.
रुंडा, मुथाएगा, ये बहुत पैसे वाले हैं सुनो, यहाँ पर अपनी लाइफ गुजारते बहुत लैविशली। ये देखिए कार्स देख सकते हैं आप लोग, कार एक्सप्रेस। ये पूरे जितने भी है सेकंड हैंड कार्स है। ये सामने की कार देखो, ये माजदा कंपनी की है CX-8। आजकल यार इतने माजदा की गाड़ियां देखा मैं केन्या में, लेकिन कार भी जबरदस्त है। देखो दोस्तों यहाँ कैसे चर्चेस है, देख सकते हैं आप कितने अच्छे खूबसूरत से बना के है। यहाँ पे सेकंड हैंड कार्स का बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस केन्या में। कोई भी नया कार नहीं खरीदता, देख सकते हैं आप लोग, ये पूरे सेकंड हैंड कार्स के शोरूम्स हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कंटिन्यूसली यहाँ पे कोई भी नई गाड़ी नहीं खरीदेगा। आप देख सकते हैं ना, 3-4 कंपनीज तो दिखे आपको। यू कैन सी दिस। दोस्तों यहाँ पे हम लोग क्विक मार्ट को जाएंगे, जाके कुछ उनके बच्चे हैं छोटे छोटे, सो कुछ खाने पीने की चीज़ लेंगे तो देन इट विल बी गुड। किसी के घर खाली हाथ जाना अच्छा नहीं है। चलो वी आर गोइंग इनटू द क्विक मार्ट। दोस्तों ये क्या है बोले तो, जनरली केन्या में एक कल्चर है, जब अभी आप किसी के घर को जाते ना, खाली हाथ नहीं जाते। हमारे पास भी है इंडिया में, हम स्वीट लेके जा सकते। दोस्तों जो अभी हम लोग वहाँ पे परचेज किए ना, वो जो टाउन है उसका नाम है कियाम्बू। वी आर ऑलरेडी देयर। तो यहाँ से 10 मिनट, वो एक छोटा सा विलेज है कनुंगा बोल के, तो वहाँ पे जाने के लिए 10 मिनट लगता। और एक शायद आधा घंटा रह के हम लोग निकल जाते हैं। दोस्तों देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे टेरेन्स कैसे, देखो वैलीज कैसे है। दोस्तों ये है उनका गेट। हम लोग दूसरे लेन में जाके फंस गए, तो फिर फोन करना पड़ा। यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ये नहीं रहता मालूम। ये देखो आप, ये है उन लोगों का घर। भाई क्या भी बोलो, इंडियंस बहुत मोहब्बत वाले होते हैं। यू सी दिस इज द हाउस। ये देखिए, यस दिस इज जूलीज मॉम। हाय हाय
This is show.
This show. Oh, इनके grandmother है.
Grandmother.
Your mom.
My mom.
Your mom. Oh, okay. इनके mom है भाई.
Yeah.
और ये जूली के grandmother.
Yeah, karibu.
Yes. Asante sana. Yeah.
Karibu.
भाई कितने मोहब्बत वाले मोलो.
Karibu.
Yeah, getting into the house. Hi.
Shoes. Don't worry
Hi.
about your shoes.
No, it's okay. I'll take out. We don't take shoes in home.
You don't take shoes. This is Julie's brother.
Hi.
Elder brother.
All well. All well. You look alike. Right. Oh my goodness. Long time.
Long time.
Hey.
You know, Julie was telling me that you have been here. How are you?
Why didn't you come to take me from here? You send your sister. Yeah.
Karibu sana.
Yeah. दोस्तों ये देखो ये जूली की बेटी है. जब हम लोग देखे थे एकदम छोटी थी. अभी इतनी बड़ी हो गई बात भी नहीं कर रही है. You see? और उसका बेटा है अल्फा. Come here. This is अल्फा. ये जूली का बेटा है. ये देखिए आप कितना लंबा हो गया. एंड जब छोटा था हम लोग उठा के थोड़ी देर बैठे थे इसको. थैंक यू. एंड दिस इज Alma's friend. What's your name? Wendy. What do you mean by Wendy? Or windy? Wind. The wind, the breeze. Is it so? No? Oh. You look beautiful with the braids. Asante.
Say thank you.
Why are you shy? You see this girl? She's shy. जब से शर्मा रही है भाई. Hey, that's good. ये है भाई उन लोगों का घर. आए हम लोग यहाँ पे. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. राइट. उनकी मम्मी थी जब से वहाँ पे. और इसके पहले ये नैरोबी में काम करती थी किसी के कोई गोरों के घर में. उनकी मम्मी वहाँ पर सर्विस करती थी. वो लोग चले गए 2020 में आफ्टर द कोविड. सो शी हैज़ टू कम बैक एंड शी स्टार्टेड अ बिजनेस ऑफ हेन्स, ब्रॉयलर्स वगैरह. वो लोग पालते. अभी जाके देखेंगे उनकी पोल्ट्री. राइट. पोल्ट्री का बिजनेस अच्छा है और यहाँ की मुर्गियाँ बहुत अच्छे हैं वैसे. चले मामा, व्हाट डू यू डू इन योर फ्री टाइम?
Come, I show you what I do in my free time.
Okay.
I'm a busy woman.
Yeah, okay.
I do chicken.
Oh,
I do chicken.
okay.
This is where we do them.
Okay.
Now we had a bunch down there. We
Okay.
have taken up. We have sold them,
Right.
all of them. Now we have chicks.
Oh,
Yeah.
can I come?
Yes, you can come in.
Oh,
Now
great.
this is they are from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today's Friday. Today's Friday. This is the 4th day.
Okay.
So this is how we start, and then we continue.
Okay.
So I don't have that much.
Okay.
I just keep like 500.
Okay. Oh, 500 of chicks.
Yes.
Okay. These are the chicks, right?
So yes.
What are these chicks called?
These are
Broilers?
broilers. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
they are not layers.
No, they are not layers. These are broilers.
Okay.
Yes, we do them now they are almost a week.
Okay.
Now we do them for like 4.5 weeks.
Okay.
5 weeks they are gone.
5 weeks they are going to be big?
Yes, very big. And this bunch now, when you come at 4th week, will be at the door now going this way.
Oh, okay.
We just start there, then we go
The bigger.
the bigger, then we go up
Towards that side.
Towards that
Yeah.
side.
But now since it is very small,
Yeah.
भाई ये लोग ये broilers करते हैं मामा.
Yeah.
So actually ये एक 1 week old chicks है ये. आप देख सकते हैं कितने बड़े हैं यार normal chicks भी. और आप ये लोग 5 week में ये एकदम बड़े हो जाते हैं और ये मार्केट में चले जाते भाई. ये बेच देते हैं. एक्चुअली थोड़ा इन लोगों के भी फंड्स देख लेके करना ना. तो व्हाट दे डू इज कि ये एक 500 चिक्स लेके आए. बट व्हेन यू गेट दिस 500 चिक्स,
Yes.
all 500 chicks will be okay or they
They
go
will
off?
be okay, but sometimes they die 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes they die so much, but For this one, they don't die as much, but 10, 5, like now the ones I had down, they died, 2 of them from 500.
Oh,
So
okay. What will be the reason dying?
the reason sometimes, they are very small, maybe it's bacteria or something, but they don't, if you look after them very well, they
Okay.
don't die.
Okay. Now, whenever you feel like there is a bacteria, what you do, you take them out.
I take
You
them
separate them.
No. I just take them and take them to the vet.
Okay.
We have a vet somewhere.
Veterinary doctor.
Yeah, and then they just check what is wrong. Then they sell the medicine to you.
Okay.
Then because they drink a lot of water.
Okay.
They give you medicine to put in the water.
Yeah.
2 days, 3 days, the others are okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
so-
that medicine can be given to everyone if it is
Everyone,
not.
if they are
in common.
sick, we give all the medicine to them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because what I know is,
Yeah.
generally there might be something, some virus comes in and then it will all kill.
Yes, when you have the other chickens,
Can I hold?
yes, you can. You can. When you have other chicken, the ones with
Bye.
the kawaida one.
ये देखो भाई. The chicks are so cute.
Yeah.
और ये है actually broilers.
Yeah.
You can see this chick. ये broilers बड़े होते हैं 5 weeks. Just 5 weeks they are big.
Yeah, that's 5
Oh.
They are in the market.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means 35 days. 35 days, they are big.
They are gone. Yeah.
Okay. So they are good to cook or eat?
Yes.
Oh,
They are
okay.
good to cook. They are
Oh,
good
great.
To sell, yeah. So
Wow.
they are what you eat in hotels.
Hotels, okay.
Yeah.
ये देखो भाई.
Yeah.
ये क्योंकि यहाँ पे जितना भी एरिया है यहाँ पे हरियाली है, सो यहाँ पे मैं समझता हूँ कि ये वायरस गिरस ज़्यादा नहीं आता होगा, लेकिन आ गया तो पूरे परेशान में रहते. ये देखो ये बैठे हैं पूरे. ओके. एंड आफ्टर द 2 weeks.
After the 2 weeks, now I go down, I bring some more chicks. These are going on, and then I'll have small chicks down.
And the big chicks will go down.
This will stay here.
Stay here.
Then I'll say,
I'll
bring-
get the new ones.
Yeah, a new one.
How much is the chick that you buy?
When I'm buying,
Buying
and 110.
110 shillings for one chick.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And when you sell it, how much are you going to sell?
Now for selling, we don't have. We sell for 380.
380.
380.
Okay, the live ones. The live ones. When those people they sell the chicken outside, the meat
Yeah,
of the
the
chicken.
meat.
So how much they sell it for kg?
For them, we do have somebody in between me and the where they sell.
Okay.
There are some people who come to buy for us.
Okay.
Which if you don't have the market, you can't keep them
Exactly.
long because they
have to keep on-
eating.
Yeah.
They eat so much.
Is it?
So you must have somebody who will know now they are ready and
To go and sell it off.
somebody. There are some who are selling a lot of them. So
Outside, how much is the chicken per kg?
package they're selling for a kg on a whole 500, 600, 700,
Okay.
depending on how it's big. Like you go to supermarket, you buy for 700,
Okay.
for 600, like that.
Okay.
So, but us now we don't take them because now we don't have that
The right
market.
contact.
But there is somebody
In the
between me.
middle person.
Yeah.
Yeah, they buy from you
Yeah, then
at 380 and
yeah.
they sell how much they want to. Yeah,
Yes,
they make it.
yes.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
for us, we don't want that to go to. Okay, we can look for market, but it's a lot of work, like
Yes,
for me.
yes,
So
yes.
I just do here and sell them here.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
But for the 5 weeks,
Yeah.
what is the cost that you get on this?
The
Roughly.
cost like now 500, not much,
Mm-hmm.
but 500 like the ones I had down there. For those bags, they eat like 22 bags. of them.
Okay.
They are very
For the
expensive.
5 weeks.
5 weeks.
22 bags
22
per bag is how much?
The starting one is 4,200.
One bag.
Yeah, that they eat 10 bags.
Like that, 10 bags.
10 bags.
That means
10
that is around 40,000.
40,000,
Oh,
42,000.
42,000.
So for the next now there we have one we call gram, and we have another we call pellets. We
Okay.
give pellet like 22 bags, 12 bags.
Okay.
So
And that
when-
is that one bag is going to be
3,950. So that is
3,000
that.
4,000.
Yeah.
4,000.
It's all the 40 like.
12 4 48 48,000.
Yeah.
So that 40,000 plus 48,000, is that so?
yeah.
So that means 88,000 shillings.
Yes.
And are you getting the money back?
Now, if you sell them, when they don't like that, when they are 4 weeks,
Mhm.
then you get a bit like 5,000. It will give you a profit of 45 to 50,000.
Okay, 45 to 50,000 is not a bad amount.
Not a bad.
भाई ये लोग जब भी ये बेचने के टाइम पे आते हैं अराउंड 45 to 50,000 का प्रॉफिट आता है. तो लेकिन इन लोगों का जो कॉस्ट है द होल कॉस्ट विल बी अराउंड 80,000. No.
Not in the 80,000 because you have water, you have
Everything
you
counted,
have,
yeah.
What. It's like for 500, it's like 146 there.
146,000. But when you sell, you'll get around 200,000 or something like that.
1,800.
Okay. Around 40 to 50,000 का प्रॉफिट होता भाई ये पूरा सरकदरत करके पाल के पोस के बड़े करके 5 वीक में. But that's a good business, by the way. It's not a bad thing.
It's not a
But
bad
the only thing is,
Yeah.
when it has a virus or something, then you'll be getting to loss. Yeah, that you need to take care of. All right.
That's
Okay.
why I'm here always. I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything else. I'm here always.
That's the business plan. Mama's business is chicks. Mama, now ये है उनके mother.
This is my
ये जूली के मॉम है, ये उनके मॉम है. और पता है यार इनकी उम्र क्या है? What is her age?
height is 93 now.
93.
93.
Mashallah. Oh, by the grace of God. Wow.
93 now.
93. She can walk?
She can walk,
Oh, Mama, you can walk, right?
but the memory, she has not
That
good
much of
memory.
really. Okay.
Yeah, because she doesn't remember, like going in or coming back. We don't let her go in
Outside. Okay.
yeah.
So she's here.
Bora kibate.
Yeah.
Now you
Sasa
Now,
umesikia,
sitting,
sasa
eating,
unasema
it's
nini?
okay.
Mwambia
have to
nini sasa?
I mean translate that. I'll answer her.
Yeah.
What is she saying?
She's saying,
Limu-
what are you
wonga ate.
asking?
I'm asking, how old are you?
Aroria tereri, wima miaka igana.
Ah, meige.
She's saying a lot of years.
Lot of years. एक्चुअली उनको अल्जाइमर है जैसा है, उन्हें भूल जाते हैं चीज़ों के लिए, इसलिए कहीं भी भेज नहीं रहे हैं. देख सकते हैं दोस्तों यहाँ पे 93 इयर्स की बड़े अम्मा है ये. तो 93 इयर्स मामूल नहीं है भाई. 93 इयर्स में हम लोग चलते भी नहीं. You can walk, just ask her to walk like that. Just go there. Yeah. You see ये कैसे चल रही है यार.
She can walk.
Yeah, just take to the gate and come back. यार ये बोल रही है यार मुझे वॉक करने के लिए क्यों बोल रहे हैं. You see she is walking properly. वो देख सकते हैं आप.
Ate ngok kingine ke.
Walking, orage dio go.
ये देखो भाई कैसे वॉक कर रही है.
Eure areda ate.
This is my grandson.
Yes, he is the grandson.
Yeah.
इनके लड़के का लड़का है भाई.
Yeah.
ये पोतरा है. Yeah? 93 में कोई अगर ऐसा खड़ते तो बताना यार. लेकिन अफ्रीका में होता है ये. This hop is only in the Africa. Very nice.
Yeah.
Mama, very nice.
Yeah. Nevega, auga nevega muno. Ona gukua no gwo wena hinya.
You are, by the grace of God, you are very strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. देखो हाथ देखो कैसा है. ये देखो. Yeah.
Yeah.
हाय दोस्तों, एक्चुअली हम लोग आए जूली के घर पे. एक्चुअली जूली जो है एक किकुयू ट्राइब के है. आप देख सकते हैं अभी ये किकुयू एक डिफरेंट ट्राइब है. मैं उन लोगों से पूछ के मालूम करूंगा कि भाई उनके कल्चर्स क्या है और उन लोग कहाँ से आए हैं, उनके खाना पीना कैसा है और उनके मतलब शादी वगैरह कैसा करते. और देयर सो मच ऑफ कल्चर इन्वॉल्व. तो हम उनके ही मुंह से सुनेंगे कि ये क्या होता है। ये लड़की का नाम है गतोनी। सो ये है जूली की बड़ी बहन। सो उनसे ही पूछ के हम उनकी कल्चर के बारे में थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे। शी इज none other than Gatoni.
Gatoni.
Yeah. Hi, Gatoni.
Hi.
You can share some of your cultures, your ways of life, and so on and so forth.
All right, so I'll share a brief history about Kikuyu as a tribe. So Kikuyu, there was a man named Kikuyu. Kikuyu believes that he was the first man that was created by God, and he had a woman named Mombi who was his wife, and then they they gave birth to 9 daughters, which are, their names are like Wanjiro, Wanjiko, Modoni, Wangeshi, Washera. They're like wa until there are 8 of them.
How about the Gatoni?
Gadoni is Modoni.
Modoni,
So
okay.
Gadoni comes as it's just like the way you have a big and a small.
Yes.
So Modoni, probably they were huge, and Gadoni came small. So Gadoni, they were named like small. All of them meaning like the shy one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is also said in that May that the Gikuyu, the man, with all his daughter, he did not have sons. So he prayed to God, and God gave him 9 sons, miraculously. Yes. So now they started, they like cohabited, and they gave birth to other children, and now the Kikuyu tribe was formed. So we have Kikuyus that come from Nyeri, we have Kikuyu that comes from Kiambu, we have Kikuyu that comes from Murang'a. All of that is in central Kenya, and they also have different way of saying words, like their pronunciation is different. Someone from Nyeri will tend to say cha more than sa, and someone from Kiambu will say sa. Like for instance, if we were saying Moshe, meaning home, someone from Nyeri will say moche. Someone from Kiambu will say Moshe. Someone from Mesa will also say Moshi. So as much as we are the same language, we also have different dialects. So we're going to start with marriage.
Okay.
Marriage is very, very interesting in Kikuyu because it has some processes that you have to use. First of all, if you identify a girl in a home, like say for instance, you want to marry me or someone else. So you come to our parents and report this, and then you will have something that is called like introduction. We will know your people, and they'll know your people, and then after that you're going to come again in another process. Now the second one, it's called Kuhada Idege. This means it's like an engagement. You come and say, I've seen this girl here and I have to engage her. Once you come and do the Kohanda Idege, like the engagement, nobody else can come in that homestay. And then now after that, you will come for what we call Wotarero Mite. This is like when you come to our place, now you meet my parents and maybe they have their friends that they will invite, especially elders. Then now they will tell you, in our clan, this is how we do the dowry. They will tell you to bring some
Cows or goats.
cows. It can be cows, it can be goats, depending on the clan. But they used to do goats, as in like
Generally. In
Only-
Maasais, I think they give cows.
They do give cows. So they will tell you maybe 30 cows and 1 cow. Now to try and equate it into money.
Yeah.
So one goat is like 30 shillings, and then they ask you for 30 of them. So you do the multiplication.
No, one goat is 30 shillings.
No, I'm just giving an example.
In general, how much it is going to?
Like right now, maybe 10,000.
10,000. एक
Yes.
बकरी का दाम है 10,000 और around how many they give? Around
They can
30.
even ask you for 20, 50,
20, 30,
depending on the
50.
family.
हाँ, तो उनके पास जितनी भी ताकत है उतने गोट्स इन लोगों को लड़की को देना, ये ध्यान रखना. Dowry is given to the girl. not the boy.
No,
You're
to
getting
the
my
parents
point.
of the girl.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So in India, it's quite vice versa.
Parents, yeah.
Yeah, the girl gives the dowry to the boy, and then they take up on that way.
So,
Yeah.
so most of the time, the parent will expect you to get married to a rich man so that they can have,
Oh,
they can reap from
what
it.
what will you do with all the goats? You will
With
sell
other
it off.
goats. No,
Or
no,
you
no.
keep it?
Now, like say like today now, as in like currently, they will ask them in form of money.
Okay.
Then that money is not like particularly for your parent only. They will say some amount is to buy like your aunties. I don't know some lesos
Oh.
that wrapper that they
So
normally
they have to
do.
provide for every
Yes.
the family.
Yes, and they also have to buy for the food
Uh-huh.
so that the occasion can happen.
Okay.
The boys
Okay.
family. And then they will also tell you maybe there's some beers that you have to buy for your uncles.
Oh.
Yes, and now that's whole details are catered for by maybe the parents, the uncles, the aunties. It's their thing. It's a family thing.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have to provide them. Like
Yes.
as a family, when you
Whatever
take
they
the
ask.
dowry, they ask you.
They have to be part of the discussion.
Oh. Okay.
Apparently, even the girl is not part of the discussion.
That's okay. The
That-
girl doesn't know
You
anything.
just be hearing
Yeah.
maybe telling each other, this is how much was bought, like that.
Oh, okay.
Yes, but then in Kikuyu we also say dowry is never enough. And there's no end to giving the dowry. As long as you can come and say, for instance, I have 30 goats instead of 300. So they will expect you to be coming. You can go and arrange and come again in case the groom does not have the ability to pay full
Okay.
dowry.
Mhm.
But now that's I think they say it's never enough. So you have to keep coming and keep coming and keep
So
coming.
so the boy has to be giving all the time the dowry.
As long
No.
as he is in a position to, before, like, say
It's
for
not a
instance,
must, by the way.
it's a must you give dowry.
Till he lives along with the girl.
Yes, now if they can come and negotiate how much can he be able to give before he leaves with the girl. But you have to give something. It can't be free of charge.
No, there's nothing. But he has already given a dowry and he married.
He married, yeah, but then if you didn't like give the 300 codes they asked for,
Oh.
yeah, you have
So
to
that has
come-
to be keeping. Ah,
yeah,
okay.
you have to come back again.
Yes.
And again. If
The-
you finish that process, there's something that is called gurario. Now that gurario is the one now you will come, you slaughter a goat
Mhm.
as a sign of like I'm done with whatever.
Dowry that has been given.
Yes, to me. And then the lady will be so proud, like they will keep on saying, me, that was gurario. Like they were able, their husband were able to do
Give
everything
everything.
that was asked from them.
Asked and agreed by them.
Yes.
ओके अब समझ में आ गया सब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ मालूम ये जब भी डाउरी अगर मांगते लड़की वाले मांगते कि मुझे होना है एक 50 गोट और रही बात या 50 गोट नहीं 300 गोट्स तक भी जाता रहते ये लेकिन शादी होने के टाइम पे वो लोग समझो कि यार 300 बकरियां को पूछे तो 50 बकरी दे के शादी हो जाती है लेकिन जब तक अपने 300 बकरियों को नहीं दिए जब तक ये देते ही रहना जब हो गया तो एक बकरी को काट के एक दावत करते जब दुल्हन जो है वो एकदम एक प्राउडिश फील करती कि भाई मेरा हस्बैंड हम पूरी डाउरी दे के क्लियर कर दिया तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग चलिए भाई यहाँ से हम लोग इसको क्लोज करेंगे ये इंटरव्यू बड़ी अच्छी दी है टबी की बेटी व्हाट्स योर नेम
Tiffany.
टिफनी इज इट टिफनी Is it Tiffany?
Yes, Tiffany.
Yeah, Tiffany is the biscuit. You see? You remember I bought so many. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Gift.
Gift. What kind of gift? Oh my goodness. Wow. Hi guys. Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
You have long. Oh, can you see these guys? Oh, ये बच्चियां इतने छोटे हैं इनके ये देखो ये. Oh, show me yours.
Yeah.
Show me yours. Oh my goodness. Which class are you studying? Which class?
Grade 5.
She's grade 5 and yourself?
Grade 6.
Grade 6. You're elder than 2, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. say like, share and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe to Vlogs with Ali.
Thank you.
Thank you.